Hey crafters, Leo with the Dreaming Tree, and welcome to the assembly video for our cassette note card. This is a complimentary limited time freebie, so definitely grab it while it's free. I'm going to start off here with my card base, okay? And obviously I went with the solid score line. We have this little insert for your journaling or writing your sentiment, stamping, print to cut, whatever you want to do with it. And it's going to go right inside, so it opens up vertically instead of horizontally. Okay, I'll pop that right in there. Go ahead and close it up. And we're going to grab the main part of the card here. See, we've got all the little details cut out of it so that the little black can show through. It's a quick one. I think it took me, 10 minutes to pick out my papers and get everything cut, and then the assembly is going to be even quicker than that. Just line that up with the shadow layer there. There we go. Press that down, just like that. Then we have this little guy here to give the cassette sort of a two-toned look. So you can do this up in whatever colors you want. You can make it traditional. Now you can see the little cutouts here. Just want to match them up with the little cutouts at the bottom. Just like that. And definitely spend a little time putting some ink on it and make it look nice. Okay. Got this little pattern piece that's going to go on here. There's also a set of little markers in the corners to help you with the positioning. And that's where you can really customize this. Grab yourself a cool little pattern. Something simple probably would be best. Nudge that up a little bit. There we go. Okay, we've got a little bit of layering to do here. I'm going to first start off with this little thing. And that's going to go like this. Just like that. I did spend a little time inking. Nothing crazy. Just a few minutes. This is a great little coordinating little piece. Now obviously we have a card in this bundle. It's the gamer card. But you could also create one of these and maybe slip a little gift card in there, or just use it for something completely different. All right, next we're going to put this brown piece in. This is going to help us get a little extra dimension on the center of the card. And make sure you line it up correctly. This brown part is essentially the actual cassette film, or whatever the heck it's called. Okay, and we have this layer. It's going to go on top. Here we go. And if you haven't seen the new bundle, we just released that 80s SVG bundle. Definitely take a peek at it. It's super cool. I was really happy with how the trailer turned out. So maybe take a peek at that. Okay, and then we have these little overlays just to add a splash of color to the top. And of course, we actually included a little envelope with this one. Tiny little cute little envelope with, oops, that's okay. That's gonna go right there. That was the side that was down on my mat, and this Astro Bright just kind of ripped a little bit, but that's cute. There you go. Let's take a look at the envelope here. I'm gonna kind of score this a little bit more since it's so tiny. Just to make sure those flaps are nice and loose. All right, so for this, all we're doing is putting a little bit of glue on these tabs here. A little bit different. I kind of like this style. It's just a little note card anyway. Spread that glue out to the edge. Bring this up, make sure it's centered, press it down. There we go. And I'm not going to put it in, but you can see plenty of room for your little note card. And then on the front here, we have a set of notes. And you can see that we've left some markers on the top flap of the envelope to help you get this nice and centered. Just throw a little bit of glue on this, not a whole lot, don't need a lot. And just line it up with the markers. Press it down, and there you have it. There you go. So that's gonna do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, this is gonna be free for a limited time, so visit our site, grab your download now. And if you make this or anything from our 80s bundle that we just released, I'd love to see it, and so would the rest of our community. So head over to your Facebook, do a search for Dreaming Tree Official. That's where you'll find myself and over 46,000 other dreamers that inspire us daily. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you will be one of the first to find out when we release a new product, whether it be paid or free. Well, I'm kind of in vacation mode. I've got the hat on, got the shirt on, going up north next week. My mind's already kind of up there. But when I return, I look forward to crafting with you again. Hey, thanks for crafting along with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, check out some of our other videos and please consider hitting that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to visit our site and check out our free SVG section where you'll find over 140 free SVG files complete with assembly tutorials. I'll see you in the craft room.